In this video, I will explain how to format and enter answers in Knewton Alta. I will also provide an overview of how to use the various keyboards available in an assignment and provide some helpful hints for answering questions in your assignments, quizzes, and tests. To open the keyboard when answering a free response question, click on the text box. On the Alta keyboard, numbers are located on the left while symbols are located on the right. A question that is not properly formatted can be marked wrong. Even though you can use the keyboard on your computer to input your answer, we recommend using the Alta keyboard because it provides you with the correct symbols that you will need to properly format your answers. There is more than one keyboard available in Alta. To toggle between the different options, click on the down arrow on the top left corner, right here. If the question you're working on doesn't require a certain symbol, it may not be available through our keyboards. However, you may need to toggle between more than one keyboard to find all of the required symbols for a single question in Alta. Note the information icon in the top right corner. Clicking this will provide keyboard shortcuts that will allow you to input any visible symbols on the Alta keyboard through your computer keyboard. You will only see shortcuts, however, for the symbols currently in view on the Alta keyboard. If you hover over a symbol, you'll see the name and a shortcut if available under the answer box. Now pay close attention to what notation your question asks for. For example, this question asks for your solution in interval notation, so make sure you use the necessary symbols. As you can see, I got this question correct. Thanks for watching.